Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video, Morning with Pam. As always, I'm back again with another recipe. And this time I'm going to make a very simple veggies fry. And as you all can see the ingredients here, I have some Nutella here. I've already soaked this for like 10-15 minutes. I have a bunch of, what is this again? Oh, corianders. 2 medium size of tomatoes, onion, green chilies, garlic, and this is 300 grams of cauliflower. So with that said, let's start preparing. Ingredients are ready. Let's start frying. I have chopped this, cut it into smaller pieces. If you like to eat a big size, you soaked it and without cutting, you can fry it that way. There's no issue. It's your choice. And I have some onion and green chili. I want to eat a bit spicy. So let's start frying. When the onion starts shrinking, add all the ingredients. This is coriander powder and chili powder. I don't like to add turmeric powder. After frying for a while, let's add all the other ingredients. Let's stir it. Add some salt, and also I'll be adding little bit of chicken masala. Chicken masala is optional. Guys, my mixed veg fry is done, and this is how it looks like. It smells so good, wonderful. I don't like to eat overcooked cauliflower, so this is a semi-cook. I prefer to eat that way. So I hope you guys enjoy watching today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Always eat, enjoy, and stay healthy. You want some? See you in my next video.